Let us solve one problem from JEST Physics 2023 paper. The problem states that if linearly polarized light is sent through two polarizers, the first is at 45 degree to the original axis of polarization and the second is at 90 degree to the original axis of polarization, then what fraction of the original intensity passes through the last polarizer? Right, so using Malus law we can write, so using Malus law we can write I equal to I0 cos square theta. So I0 is the initial intensity, so I0 is the initial intensity and theta is the angle between light's polarization and the polarizer axis. So theta is the angle between the light's polarization and the polarizer's axis. So from the first polarizer, which is 45 degree, so from the first polarizer, which is 45 degree, polarizer 1. So in initial the light is polarized along the original axis. Passing through the first polarizer at 45 degree, the intensity becomes I1 equal to I0 cos square 45 degree. So it will be I0 into 1 by root over 2 whole square is equal to I0 into half. Right, from the second polarizer, which is 90 degree to original axis, which is equal to 45 degree to current light. So the light is polarized at 45 degree and second polarized is 90 degree to the original, that is also 45 degree to the current light direction. So using Malus law we can so I2 will be I1 into cos 45 degree. So it will be I1 into it is also 1 by 2. So I1 is I0 by 2 by half, so it will be I0 by 4. So 1/4 of the original intensity passes to the last polarizer. So as I2 will be 1 by 4th I0, so 1 by 4th of the original light passes through the polarizer to the last polarizer. So 1 by 4th will be the correct answer. So option B is our correct answer. So thank you.